Hello guys, this is Coding Hub. So today what I will be showing you a new program on Java that is called Buzz Number. This is a famous program, or you can say a basic program for a beginner, those who are beginner in Java coding. So this is a beginning program. What does this Buzz Number say? So Buzz Number basically says that a number is set to a Buzz number if it's end with 7. So particularly this number is going to be end with 7. Okay, so the number ending with 7 or divisible by 7. So few example of Buzz numbers are 21, 67, 77. How this you can say? So let me give one. They have given 21, saying that it's a Buzz number. So 21, when it is divided by 7. So when it is divided by 7, what does it does? It gives us a remainder what? 0, because it is divisible by 7. Okay. Now since they have provided an OR condition, that means this is one condition and this is one condition. So two conditions. If any of in OR, basically what it does, if any of these two conditions, any one of these conditions satisfy, you will get your result. So you will get a desired result. Okay. So now come for 67. Let me show you for 67. For 67, it should be ending with 7. How it will be end with 7? If we divide by 10. Okay, if we divide by 10. So let me show you. 6 is 60 and the remainder is 7. So it's pretty simple. Here you can understand it is pretty simple. Let me show you the code for it. Let me show you the code. So here is the code for this Buzz number. What I did is basically I imported this package util because of this scanner class. Then I named the Buzz this all you know class name Buzz. Then public static void with the general string you must already be knowing. And this is a scanner, and this is the object which is being created by me, that is SC is an object. So everything which we basically do with the help of an object. So I asked the user enter the number to check. So I have taken the input over here, that is ac.nextInt. With the help we will getting the number stored over there, and after that I provided two logic as already said in the definition. One which will be checked for the ending 7, and one it will be checking whether it is divisible by 7. If the condition satisfy, it's a Buzz number, else it's not a Buzz number. Okay, let me show you the output for this corresponding code. So let me close all this thing. Let me go to the okay. Let me give, so it's a Buzz number. One editor I do have. Let me show you that also. I have introduced already out this because of this loop. Here also you can do your coding by making a project and going to src and creating the class over here. Okay, this editor also you can use. So thank you for watching my video, and please do subscribe my channel.